Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rifqi Hidayat, and in this video I would like to introduce myself to something that relates to me. So I choose train. Why train? Because it brings me a lot of memory. I like to use it whenever I travel far. And my father has been working there since 1996. Due to my father's job, my family can enjoy a 50% discount off the fare price. So when I travel, I don't need to worry about the fare price because I get a discount. Train is my favorite transportation. As I said earlier, I have a lot of memory. My first time went to my grandma was by train. I was so happy on that day. It was 15 years ago. Then, when I was young, when I was 6 or 7, I think, my father often took me to Jakarta Kota Station to see train traffic and to eat the legendary kwetiao. One of the characteristics of the train is the curve. I saw it in myself as an adventurous soul. I like traveling by public transportation. The reason I use it is because I don't need to exert a lot of energy when I travel. And as we know, train has a destination. Everyone has a goal. In achieving that goal, we need to encounter the obstacle. My life goal is to be useful to many people because I believe every help that I give to people, and surely it will come back to me. Train is very related to my life. It brings me a lot of memory. I will not forget about it, and I hope I can get a new experience and another beautiful memory. Thank you. Thank you.